Hello everyone, I'm Zada. Behind me is Sunward Star excavator, popular across Indonesia and Africa, the SWE385F. Let me introduce its key features. It integrates the advantages of the new F series machines, which include fast loading, excellent performance, superior control, and low fuel consumption. It is designed to meet the demand of large-scale earth and rock excavations. Equipped with a Cummins direct injection engine, matched with the Kawasaki main pumps and KYB main valves, the excavator innovatively introduced a sudden load adaptive control technology, more rational adoption, strong power, high torque storage factor, more rational distribution and faster response, good fuel adaptability, lower consumption, efficient and durable in large cooling system, utilize top tier international brand of AKG cooling with cooling capacity increased by over 30%. The two-stage air filter system ensures the machine reliability in harsh conditions, keeping durable power. Addressing the issue of poor fuel quality, the machine ensures the reliable operation through enhanced protection measures. Features a 10.1-inch ultra-large touchscreen LCD display and one-touch start and centralized push-button controls. Direct flow air filters for more convenient maintenance and servicing. Mining work devices equipped with reinforced pipeline and forged support. Heightened undercarriage can efficiently avoid obstacles. Double supported carrier roller features more reliable. With its high-end and luxurious configurations, powerful digging force and imposing appearance, the SWE385F creates a value for customers.